Hello everyone, and welcome to our R3 update. It's been a couple months since we last chatted, and I wanted to give you a bit of an update as far as our roadmap, where we started beginning of the year, and where we are currently at this point in time. So during our Elevate summit, we really enforced the fact that we're trying to bring a lot of the ecosystem together for advisors. And we're also spending a lot of time on just the look and the feel of the platform. So we've rolled out a number of changes, our next generation suite. We started with the proposal. Now we're into the entire platform, the look and feel of that, and foreshadowing ahead, we're going to be getting into the new next gen trading look and feel of the platform as well. So a lot of exciting changes, some very big changes that are coming, some that are here right now. But what I wanted to do was just a quick highlight of some of the capabilities that we just released with the R3 release.